Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel Vidyasabha News. In this video is presented by Srimati Shantaben Haripai Gajera English Medium School. In the previous session we have learned about vowels and consonants, but in this video we are going to learn about the topic of have and has. Have and has are different form of the verb to have. Even though they come from the same word, there are slight differences in the way they are used. Have is used with I, we, you and they, while has is used with he, she and it. The verb to have has many different meanings. Its primary meanings is to possess, own, hold for use or contain. How to use have? Have is the conjugation of to have that is used when speaking in the first person, that is I and we, speaking in the second person, that is you, speaking in the third person plural, that is they. Take for an example the following sentence: they have two dogs. Here have is the correct choice because the subject they is a third person plural pronoun. How to use has? Has is the conjugation of to have that's used when speaking in the third person singular, that is he, she and it. Bear in mind, this use of have and has only really applies when you are speaking in the present tense. What happens when a verb combines with have or has? Have or has can be used with the past participle form of another verb to create the present perfect tense. Irregular verbs are one of the most confusing aspects of learning new language. But for instance, become bored in the simple past tense while burst simply remains burst. How does that make the sense? Have is one such irregular verb. In many tenses, it simply remains have, although in other it becomes has or have. If you aren't sure whether to use have or has, you aren't alone, and we are here to help you. What is the difference between has and have? In this post, I will discuss the differences between have and has. As always, I will be sure to include several examples, sentences to demonstrate their use in context. I will also use a mnemonic device that will help you choose either has or have in way that preserves subject-verb agreement. How to use has? Has definition. Has is the third person singular present conjugation of the verb to have. Have is also used as an auxiliary verb. Here are the few examples of sentences. Do not share your drink with James. He has a nasty cold, warned James' mother. Emma, the cat was your cheeseburger, claimed Petro. This show has officially jumped to shark, said the TV critic. Since has is used in the third person singular, it will be paired with the pronouns he, she and it. How to use have? Have definition. Have is a verb. It means to possess something, and it is also used as an auxiliary verb. Have is the first and second person singular present tense from the form of this verb, as well as the first, second and third person present plural form. See the examples sentences given below. I have not yet begun to fight, said the captain of the ship. You have exactly 5 minutes before the whole space station self-destructs, said the astronaut. If Xavier has 6 apples and Elgin has 7 oranges, how many avocados do the Rolling Stones have? Asked Brittany's math teacher. Since have and has more functions than has does, it is used with more pronouns. In the first and second person singular, have will be paired with I and you. in the first, second and third person plural have will be paired with we and they. I hope you will find this video very helpful, students, that is have and has. If you have any questions regarding this session, you can comment down below on the comment section. Thank you.